Hello, hello, hello. It is Dolly. Welcome to my channel, Scrapping on the Go. This process video is for Mini Kit Monday with Becky, Kathy, and myself. And this is layout number 3 using our May 2025 challenge, which is this Tic Tac board. And it is also over at our Facebook group site, which I will have the link listed below in the description box. All right, for layout number 3, you can see I have this stencil right here. I have some more bits and pieces from my kit that I created using the tic-tac-toe board, and embellishments and items that I had put together for my Hawaii album. And then I have some products that I received from the Crafty Maven Getaway Mixed Media Kit, and this is from the April kit. So I have the Dana Wakley medium gloss spray and eggplant that came in the kit, and then I had this already in my stash, which is heather color. And then, oh, my photograph. All right, these are brand new sandals that I purchased right before my Hawaii trip in June of 2022. But I love them, and so it deserves, in my opinion, for my scrapbooking album for Hawaii, a page of its own. And as you can see, I've already matted my photograph in a purple cardstock. Oh, and I also have this purple paste also that came from my April 2025 mixed media kit from the Crafty Maven workshop, or her shop. And also this ribbon came from there. And then this tissue paper, rice paper, I think it's rice paper, was in my scrappy stash when I pulled my kit together, along with this 12 by 12 49 and mark it. My layout concept is going to be really simple. We're going to lay that rice paper there. I am going to have this ribbon tucked underneath, and I'm even going to fray it some more. And it is uneven, which is wonderful, adds visual interest. So we're going to have it like that, I think, or just side by side. And maybe I will bring in some washi tape. I will look in my stash. I didn't pre-pull washi tape for this kit, but that doesn't mean I can't go outside of the kit to make a layout come together. So I may look for some purple washi tape. Then my next concept, oh, and I'll secure my tissue paper down, or rice paper, with multimedia matte and it dries matte, basically, is what that does. What else? Oh, I'm gonna use that paste and put circles on the background, the foreground, and then I'll also splatter, and I may use some sequins from the Crafty Maven Getaway mixed media kit from April. And I'm going to put all that together off camera and come back. And oh, I forgot, my title is going to be Glittery Fresh, or Fresh Glittering. That doesn't make sense. Maybe I'll put maybe I'll put Glittery Fresh. That's what I'm going to do. And I may even use some of these puffy stickers. This has been in my collection since 2019, so I'm trying to get this used up. So we'll see how well I do with that. All right, then I will be right back, which you won't even know, but we're going to go into the next clip and you're going to see a finished layout, and I'll go over it. This is going to be a very quick video. I'm on some time restraints for Memorial Weekend coming up. I have a lot of things I got to get ready and get prepared. Not that you really need to know that, but I was just letting you know why this video is a little bit different. As you can see, this layout is complete. I'm very excited and happy how this turned out. We have a lot of different products and material and texture. Oh, it just makes my heart happy. So we have some rice paper over here on this side. I have the sticker sheet here, die cut, die cut. I have this kind of it looks like glass hearts, but it's some sort of, course, of acrylic. So I have heart there, hearts here, hearts here. I have my title, Glittery Fresh. And I have, from that alpha sticker, these little silver dots. You can see I added some texture paste here, and I added some ink splatters, and I have left me room to journal. And like I stated in the beginning, these were sandals that I picked up just for the Hawaii trip. Anyway, thanks for stopping by. I appreciate you all. Get out your scrappy supplies, get out your memories, and document them in a fun and creative way. We'll see you next time. Bye.